Hey, it's the Tara from Pretty Hair is Fun, and Sally Beauty has asked me to do a review on their new Ion brand copper flat iron. So today I'm going to be showing you how I would do my hair with it, and along the way I'll show you all the cool features that come with this new flat iron. So I'm going to be doing flat iron curls in my hair with this new flat iron, and I'm going to be comparing it to the one that I normally use. So the first thing that I noticed about this flat iron is the fact that it heats up so fast. I plugged it in and it was up to the temperature that I wanted it to be at within 5 to 10 seconds. Typically I have to wait around 30 seconds to a minute for my flat iron to heat up. Another thing that I noticed is for my hair to curl with this flat iron, I only have to heat it up to 350 degrees, while with my regular flat iron, I have to put it up to either 400 or 410. Which is really, really awesome for in the mornings when I need it to heat up fast and I don't want to damage my hair more than I usually do. The other thing that I really like about this flat iron is it has these really cool copper plates on it, as opposed to aluminum plates like my other one does. This means that it has awesome heat conductivity, which allows it to heat up really fast and there's less hair damage. Another thing that's really cool about this is it has titanium coating on the plates. This allows it to glide really nicely over your hair, which makes flat iron curls a breeze. Also, the shape of this thing is awesome. It's got these curved edges on it, which makes it really easy to twist around in your hair, so you don't have those rough edges that are getting caught in your hair as you're doing it. Another thing I really like about this flat iron is the shape and size of it. Because it's wider than your typical flat iron, it allows you to have looser looking curls, which is a really nice look that at least I really like. And it also allows you to be able to straighten your hair a lot faster because you're able to get larger pieces every time you go down your hair. This is how I like to do my flat iron curls. I always curl away from my face, and I like to just clamp at the top, and I usually only turn it around once so that the bottom or tail end of my hair is facing down again. And this just gives me a really nice loose curl. And I typically will just go all the way around until I meet the back of my head, and then I'll usually swap over to the other side. And then I'll usually flip around the curl a little bit just to make sure that it keeps the shape that I want it to. So I just clamp, wrap it around once, then I just drag it down to the end of my hair, and then I just turn it, and then I go to the next piece. And I don't like to take large or too big of strands because I like my curls to be a little bit more defined. Now that I'm done curling my hair and I've let my curls cool, which with this flat iron they actually cooled really fast, which was really nice. I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm just going to comb through my curls just to separate them a little bit and to make them a little bit looser looking. This is definitely my favorite flat iron I've ever tried out, and I definitely recommend going and getting one for yourself. To help you guys out with that, we're putting a coupon code down in the description box below, and make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe and give us a thumbs up down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.